Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating your React app and a Python virtual environment in 2 folders so each side stays independent. Next, install Flask and Flask cores, then create app. Py with a basic route that returns JSON. Once done, enable cores so the browser can call your API during development. Make sure to initialize Git and add a Git ignore. Finally, run the Flask server on a fixed port. This predictable endpoint is how React will discover the backend. You now implement the client calls from React. Import fetch or Axios and write an async function that calls your Flask endpoint, then parse JSON and set component state. Once done, call that function inside useEffect for initial load and on-demand events. To avoid cores hassle in development, set the package JSON proxy or use the full http://localhost 5000 URL. Make sure error handling and loading states are present so the UI doesn't freeze when you finish by building the React app with npm run build and either serve the static files from Flask or deploy frontend and backend to their respective hosts. Once deployed, configure cores, environment variables, and a reverse proxy like Nginx if needed. Make sure to update API base URLs in production. If things go wrong, first check the Browser Console and Network tab, confirm ports and host names, and verify cores response headers. These steps quickly reveal most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.